Alright guys, so today I just wanted to build the Memebot with you to show you how exactly it's done. And I was making the video, but then it kind of deleted itself, and I really can't bother to start over. So I'm gonna actually just try and explain what I did instead of just doing it again. Hopefully, you'll still be able to learn something. So the main thing I used was the Selenium module on Python. And essentially what Selenium does is it's a web scraping tool. So if you don't know what scraping is, I'm going to give an example. So let's say I go on CoinMarketCap and I want to know the price of Bitcoin. And I want to buy Bitcoin whenever the price drops below $40,000. So what I could do is simply just tell Selenium, a Selenium bot, to send me an email every time the price of Bitcoin drops below $40,000 so that I can go and buy some. So what Selenium would do, or what I would tell Selenium to do, is that I would look here, I would inspect this element here, which is the price of Bitcoin on CoinMarketCap, and I would say every time, look at this HTML element, every time it drops below $40,000, send me an email. And what some people even do is that they establish these things called trading bots, and they do these things automatically depending on whatever. So whenever the price drops, it will look at this HTML element and compare it to some value and then send me an email using some other module. And that's exactly what web scraping is. It allows you to manipulate or use information on websites to however you want to. And we're going to use this same module on WhatsApp web, and this is really how the bot works. It's through WhatsApp web. So I install Selenium, and I take from Selenium some things. I take the WebDriver, which allows me to manipulate Chrome, which is the browser I've chosen to use. I've also imported keys, and keys essentially just allow me to mimic the keyboard. So for example, on WhatsApp, I would go on WhatsApp and I would type a message and then I would press enter. So to mimic that press enter key, I would use keys. And I would also import some things for, this is just for troubleshooting purposes, for errors. And I'm going to import time because I want to be able to wait between certain things whenever, for example, a file is uploading. It takes time, so I can't just immediately send it. I have to wait a few seconds. I'm also going to import OS and random because I want to be able to choose a random meme in my directory. So I establish a send message function and a find meme function, and here we have the main code, which kind of does this, goes through this forever. While true, do some things forever. So I'm going to go through a bit the send message function. So the send message function, I made it take a user and a message because we're going to be sending a message to somebody. So might as well just put it in a function. So I have to, before I do any of this though, I have to set up the driver, the Chrome driver. And the way how you do it is, essentially, by the way, if you don't know how to install Selenium, you just go to command terminal. Hopefully you have Python installed, and you would go pip install Selenium. I already have it, so I'm not going to do it. And to install the Chrome WebDriver, you would just go on Google and you would type in Chrome driver, whatever. You come to this one and you would look for your version of Chrome. My version, I think, is 92, so I would go to help about Google Chrome, and yes, it's 92. So I would download this one. After you do all of that, you would set it up like I have it here. So I would have the path to the Chrome driver directory, and basically I downloaded here, and this is just for, I'm not sure if you need this, but for troubleshooting purposes, I would point to the Chrome app that I have downloaded in some directory. I'd point to it and I would do this exact thing. I would have it like this for options, and then I would set the driver up. I call it driver, and just this is how you set it up. And then I would point to this website, which is the WhatsApp website, right? So when I do this, you'll see that when I run this, it will open up this WhatsApp web like this, and then I would have to you know, get my phone and do whatever to go in. So I'm gonna do that real quick. All right, so I have my phone and we're good, we're in. So right now, so after I do that, so I made it say, you know, okay, wait until I scan the QR code. So right now it's printing some things. I don't honestly don't know why. When I Google this, Stack Overflow, they were saying just ignore it. So you know I'm gonna ignore it. So right now it's telling me to tell enter because I scanned the QR code. I'm gonna do that. All is good. So I have a send message function. To send a message, I would need to input the user. So I made the send message function take a user and a message. So we need to find the person we're sending a message to, the contact. And to do that, I added driver, because this is the web driver we have to use. And we're gonna find the element by XPath. And in HTML, each element has a certain XPath. So to find that XPath, you have to go and inspect. So you can Control Shift I, or you can go here and so I'm gonna Control Shift I, and we're gonna try and find this over here. So we're gonna try and find the HTML element for Gaza Reefer. So I'm gonna go into the body. I'm gonna go into this div because it's everything. And there should be a way for me to just go here and right click and inspect the element, but it's not coming up. So I'm gonna have to find it manually. I'm gonna just do this once to show you how it's done. So I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna go on the left side here, and I'm gonna keep going down. And I'm gonna find, okay, it's in this one, this div. And is it, okay, it's in this div. And we keep going down. Okay, and we keep going down. Alright, so here we go. I should be able to just click. I think you can click anyone. Yeah, you can click either the icon or you can just click this. So I'm gonna find this, and sometimes it might, usually if you can click it, there should be something that marks button or something along those lines. I'm not seeing that here. I think this should work. This div should work, or this div, or this div. So I'm gonna right click, copy XPath like that, and then I would just paste it. I would just paste it into here, and you're gonna see that so because every user is gonna have a different XPath, it'd be time consuming, but I realize that with each XPath, they correspond with right here actually is their name. So I would just put their name there. So how I would find their name, I would just, that actually comes later, but I would find their name, and then I would just, basically it would read their name because their name is here. So I would find the element here, and you see like how it comes up, I would just copy it and then I would put it in there and say, all right, send this to that person because their name is there. So I would just have to find it, and then I would find it, and then I would click on it. And I don't remember this doing anything. I think I can take this out because I don't think I use this again. Actually, I'm just going to keep it there, but I'm pretty sure this does nothing. And then I would go in the message box, which I would need to find the message box, which is this, and I would do the same thing, find the HTML XPath, and then I would write some message in there. I'll prompt them with this message saying that, you know, this Memebot is about to do something, and I would wait 1 second, and then I would just enter the message. So I would hit enter, and it would send the message, and then I would send the message that I'm sending here. So I would have, so this is the automatic message saying the bot is about to say something. And whatever I put here, the bot would say. So it would send that message, do the same thing, enter, and that's how the message is sent. And then I would print to myself saying that, you know, some message was sent to some user. And then to find the meme, let me just do the find meme function quickly. So the way how I set up my thing is that I have a meme folder. I'm gonna go into the meme folder now. So this meme folder has a whole lot of memes in this, different memes from Instagram. And what I would say to Python is that, all right, go into this meme folder and find a random meme in that folder, and in that meme folder find a random meme, and then I would return the path that meme is found. Essentially what this function is doing. So the way how this meme bot works is that if someone says meme please, it quickly sends a meme to that person, just like this. This is taking a while. It's taking too long actually. Yeah, this took too long, so it's not gonna send. Usually it doesn't take that long because I give it maybe 3 seconds to send the meme, so it wouldn't automatically send there. But let me do another one. I'm gonna take somebody else. So if I send it doesn't matter if I send a message or if they send a message, it will still send. So it will load up a meme and then it would send the meme after 3 seconds. Some memes take more than 3 seconds to send. If that happens, then you just have to wait longer. So how do I do that? So for the first 17 chats in my WhatsApp, and by the way, I'm looking over here, I need to find the user message first. So that's the first thing. So I look at this tab over here. So this is a group essentially, so I don't think this will work, but I'm just gonna do this anyway. So I type meme please here, and it's not gonna work because this is really not this is a group, so it's not gonna see it as a contact. But it would look right here, and it would see the message that is here. It would see the message that is here, and then it says, okay, if that user message is meme please, it will then call the send message function, and then it will send the meme. And the way how it sends the meme is it finds this paperclip. So this paperclip element here, it finds this, it clicks this, it finds the meme directory and finds a random meme after that, and then it will send the meme. And that's all that this is doing. So it sends the message they're gonna receive a random meme. It then finds the paperclip element, clicks it, it finds the meme path, it finds the paperclip element again. I have some comments here because, like I say, it changes and then I have to find the new one and update it. And sometimes it goes back to the old one, so I say, all right, let me just hold the old one as well. And then it goes and sends the meme path to the paperclip. It waits for it to upload the meme on WhatsApp, and then it finally clicks the send button and the meme is sent. And I have some precautionary things here in case some things don't work. So it prompts me if it doesn't find the actual div where it's supposed to send the meme or to find the contact. It also returns to me the directory location of the meme, because sometimes it's not a meme, so I gotta delete it. What I want to do is I want to update this so that it does this automatically. So for example, if they type meme please and it's not a meme, they can say not meme, and then it would move that meme out. It wouldn't necessarily delete it because, you know, sometimes people can lie, but they would just move the meme out of that folder, and then I can manually inspect it, see if it's good. I want to be able to, you know, build up on this. But yeah, this is really how the meme bot works. And of course, you know, I was trying to do other things with it. I was trying to, if I had a status meme, it could send the status meme automatically, but all of that's on WhatsApp server end, and it's basically impossible for me to pull things from that. But I feel like this local directory, having memes on my computer and then having people be able to access that, has other applications. So it's not just about memes. It could be a company trying to, you know, an automated message service, or, you know, if you need something from someone, you can just, they give you a list of things that are on their computer and they can pull from it over WhatsApp. You know, it has its own application, so it's not just memes. But I'm gonna put all of this right now. It's on Discord right now, but it's not updated, so it won't work for you. But I'm gonna put all this on Discord, and you can, you know, play around with it, see if it you can use it however you want to. And yeah, it was just a fun project, and you know, I really liked it. This one.
Go, 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 go! Go, go, go! There, you ran out of time.
I remember this meme. This was right after lockdown ended last year. Right now we're in another lockdown, so things didn't get better. But yeah, that's essentially how this meme bot works, how Selenium works. It's just a lot of web scraping and manipulating data, and it's very powerful. And I hope, you know, you guys can, you know, take advantage of it and do something. It's very powerful.